That is a really nice red oak log. I mean, it's darn near perfect. I'll save probably a 10 or 12 footer out of that one for a saw log. But I mean, it's as close to perfect as it gets. I know I'll be getting comments about dragging that log up the trail and that I need a skidding winch and all that stuff. You know what, that would be nice, but I'm telling you, I probably only drag logs 20 times a year or something like that. Normally I can just pick them up with a grapple and carry them out. But this is down there, you know, on the hill, on the steeper part of the trail. It's narrow down there, trees everywhere. So I just brought it up here. I'll cut it down, and then I'll end up just carrying, you know, like a 10 or 12 footer back to the house with me. One of my trips coming over getting firewood. I hear someone coming and they're running pretty quick, so I'll give you one guess who it is. Listen, Hunter. Hunter, someone else in there.
Huh?
I said it's Melissa and Hunter, but there's somebody else in there.
Yeah. Surprise! We're having a little trouble getting in.
That's a pretty nice saw log right there, Melissa.
I know. I was thinking the same thing.
You gonna buy me a sawmill for Christmas?
Your birthday. It's next Sunday, the 21st. Yeah, it's not this Sunday. Next Sunday. I have one on order for you.
I bet.
Yeah, it's nice.
That was that one that was dead down there.
Oh, is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the treetops.
Yeah. So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is Saturday afternoon, actually early evening, and the first part of this video was from last night, Friday evening, and that video was running kind of long and it got dark, so I decided just to make it into two parts, this one being part two. So I'm back over here on the other hill cutting some firewood, getting some saw logs out, cleaning up some treetops and some brush, and I'm trying to get a fire started right now and it's not going so well, but I'll get it here in a little bit. It amazes me how, like here in the east, you know, how hard it is to actually start a fire, where other parts of the country you just look at something wrong and it bursts into flames. It's just fascinating to me. But anyway, I'll get this fire going and then I'm going to start hauling some treetops and some brush. I got some stumps down here, and get this all cleaned up and burn up, and then probably cut some firewood. I'm supposed to have a couple laborers show up here. I'm not holding my breath. We'll see if they show up. But they're a couple young, strong guys, and we should be able to get a lot done if they show up. We'll see. Something I want to mention, go to our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans. Woodstack 2018 is well underway. We've been getting a ton of pictures there, and you need to scroll through them and make sure you check out all the pictures. You know, you'll see previous comments. Click on that. There's some really nice stacks of firewood. There's 4 different categories. You got the perfect stack, the creative stack, and the get her done group, and then also a category for other YouTube channels to enter their pictures. But spend a little time there. These people put a lot of work into some of these stacks of firewood. Click like on which ones you like. You know, you can click on as many as you want. And the top 5 in each category, they'll move on to the finals, and we'll put a video out November 5th on that. And the viewers of this channel will decide who the winners are. But definitely go check out our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans. Scroll through there, look for those 4 posts, and check out all those firewood pictures. Some people really do a nice job on their firewood. It's very impressive. But anyway, I'm gonna get back to work here, try to get this fire going here, and hopefully my help shows up here shortly. We'll see. Laborers showed up. Tell me your names.
Lucas and Matthew.
Lucas and Matthew. You gonna do some work?
Yeah, I've already done this before, you know.
You what?
You know I've already done this before.
You've done this before?
Yeah.
So you're like a pro. How about you? Have you done any of this before?
No, not really.
No? Well, get some dead sticks and throw in that fire.
Okay, dead sticks. That one. Yeah, big one. Oh, hey. Hey.
A little less talking, a little more moving.
Throw in the fire. Really? Oh my goodness, guys. I gotta do this.
Okay, there's about 10 million more.
Yeah. 10 million? Really? Crazy. Not quite. Tell me this one.
So we had some friends stop over today, and those two little boys that you saw in the video, they like watching our channel and they like the tractors and all that. So I said, come on over, we'll give you a first-hand look at them. And they realized the tractor's a lot bigger in person than it is on video. But anyway, I got a lot done here this afternoon, this evening. It's getting dark again, but man, it has been cold. I don't think it got above 45 degrees all day. All next week doesn't look very warm at all. I think we went from summer to winter. We'll see what happens though. One more time I want to mention, go to our Facebook page, Outdoors with the Morgans, and click like on your favorite pictures of the wood stack. We have till October 31st for people to vote. There's tons and tons of good pictures on there. Some people really put in some work. So show your support or submit your pictures of your own in one of the 4 categories that I've been talking about. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.